Hey there, demons. It's me, your boy.
First things first, guys. I just gotta say, fuck normies.
Just no packages at all? Oop, people.
All I gotta do is worry about the other ones have just a little everything. These ones have little harder to lose. And then all we need to do is plug in our phone. There, the best way to probably do it is just kind of plug in your phone like this. This is an 1+6T phone, by the way, if you're wondering what this is. And then once you get it plugged in, just kind of put it in this compartment. They have a little bit of a different user area.
Boom!
So we're just making it tight.
That was a good one.
Phone in, getting it. So that's how long it took to do that setup. Just
Where
a
are
couple
these
minutes.
shots coming from?
Start
Ooh,
recording
footsteps?
in
Under me?
2.7K on the drone here. And I'll have that up as well.
25.
And we're just gonna take off. So
Ooh,
I'm gonna start
getting
off
shot
with
from
mode
somewhere
two,
else
just
too.
The regular position hold mode.
It's a
And I'm
faraway
pressing this
one
little
somewhere.
button on the left of the phone here. And then all we're doing is taking off. So we're just holding in this button. And there we go. Now this is the
Where are these other shots
I
at?
just flew it in my house just to double check it. And there is a little bit of wind space, about 5 miles per hour variable coming from this direction right now.
Shaking.
And that's
Ooh, more.
See how high it launches
Okay.
to? It says on the phone screen.
There they are.
I'll just go up, about 30 feet. So it's down on the bottom. Just look at the launch pad and stuff. Okay, and let's come back down. That's full speed down. Went about a mile per hour down. And man, when I let this thing off, it's just like a little Mavic. The control, let's go full forward in this P mode. Get it. And there's full stick.
Just one guy that we're launch padding to? Oh,
Fast flyby.
over here? This roof?
Oh yeah, that thing is
You guys got that one?
just like a little Mavic, man.
Yeah.
That's why they call it a Mavic.
Oh,
Mini, right?
coming in.
Setting off right now. There's about maybe 10.
Ooh, real team? I'm getting it.
And it's recording just like I thought DJI would. And all the movements I do is smooth to stop, not glitchy at all.
Damn, they came in hard.
Where you
Whoa.
want it to stop. So that's pretty awesome. Amazing.
All right. Delayed win.